I'm Sana. I'll be taking you through our presentation today. The presentation covers our crawling process, pre-processing, EDA, classification models, innovation, and finally a demo. Coming over to the crawling. For the training dataset, we made use of the public European hotel reviews on Booking.com from Kaggle. The dataset had a Kaggle usability score of 8.3, which is highly reputable. The dataset contains 515 case samples, which was enough for us to do our training. As for the evaluation dataset, we crawled and manually labeled hotel reviews from TripAdvisor. This is how we prepared our evaluation dataset. We collected hotel page URLs, installed Selenium package for web interaction, collected the hotel links, collected their reviews, and labeled the data manually. These are just some samples from our evaluation dataset. Coming to the EDA, for our EDA for both training and validation dataset, it mainly consists of three major parts: polarity and subjectivity of reviews, term frequency analysis, and lastly, word clouds. Using text blob subjectivity and polarity ratings, each review is plotted on the scatter plot. Going from the bottom to the top, it seems that most of the reviews are opinionated. We can also see that many positive reviews are given low polarity score by observing the red points on the left side of the curve. Why is that the case? The unique structure about our Booking.com reviews is that positive and negative reviews are written separately. Following that, many users wrote only one of the reviews, leaving the other one blank. Here are some examples that show scenarios where the review text shows the opposite polarity of the rating that it was given. Word clouds shown here clearly reflect the sentiment behind each review type and how they are described. The word clouds are formed after removing common words to prevent them from dominating said word clouds. Coming over to the pre-processing. Our pre-processing of the hotel review text follows lowering of the characters case, combining paragraphs, removing punctuations and numbers, moving multi-spaces between words, lemmatizing each word in the text, pruning stop words from clean text, and tokenization of review text. The classification models start with WADER, which is a lexicon-based sentiment analysis model used to determine the intensity and polarity of the hotel reviews. Upon subjecting the model with 303,794 reviews, an 84% accuracy was obtained in a matter of 1.72 seconds. This makes WADER amongst the most scalable model of them all. Linear SVM is a class of vector machines which uses a linear model for fitting the hyperplane decision boundary. We thought it might work well with our data, as our data was binary data with two distinct classes. Of the base machine learning models we tested, linear SVM performed the best in terms of accuracy, achieving 89%. In terms of our innovations, stacked ensemble is something that we used. We used the three best performing machine learning models as our base models, and an NLP classifier as a meta model. The model achieved a 90% classification accuracy, which was better than any of the base models. Hence, we can observe that there is a slight improvement as a result of stacking. The distilled BERT is a knowledge distilled version of BERT. The aim of it is to transfer knowledge from large pre-trained models like BERT to much smaller models through logic matching. In this scenario, we obtained an accuracy similar to BERT, but the real difference maker lied in the classification time, as distilled BERT needed only 16 seconds as opposed to the 42 seconds required by base BERT. Now I'll show you a demo of our application that uses distilled BERT for sentiment analysis. The app has been deployed on Streamlit using Streamlit sharing. We can enter any review text that we wish and type. Upon entering the review, you can notice that it is an overall positive review. From services, superb arrangement, nice arena, nice gym, good quality superb, so it should return us a positive. Going back to the presentation, the work that we have done here is crucial, as hotel reputation management is key after COVID-19. We also seek to improve existing sentiment analysis models specific to hotel reviews to provide better baselines of further work, since our work is completely open sourced. Thank you.